Apple fans, the wait is over. The new iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max have been officially unveiled, and they come with some exciting upgrades that promise to elevate your smartphone experience. From a state-of-the-art cooling system to lightning-fast charging, larger displays, and enhanced battery life, these models are designed to impress. Here's a closer look at what makes the iPhone 16 series stand out. Advanced cooling system. A major highlight of the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max is their new cooling system. Apple has introduced a stainless steel casing for the batteries, along with innovative graphene sheets. This combination significantly improves thermal management, ensuring that the devices stay cooler and run more efficiently, even during high-performance activities like gaming or video recording. This upgrade not only boosts performance but also helps prolong the device's lifespan. Faster charging. Charging speeds are getting a major upgrade with the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Both models support up to 40 W of fast charging, whether wired or wireless. This means you can recharge your phone much faster than before, minimizing the time you need to stay connected to a power source. This rapid charging capability is perfect for users who are always on the go, allowing for quicker top-ups and less downtime. It enhances convenience and ensures that your phone is ready to use whenever you need it. Larger and brighter displays. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max come with larger displays, offering a better viewing experience. The iPhone 16 Pro's screen has been expanded to 6.3 inches from 6.1 inches, while the Pro Max now features a 6.9-inch display, up from 6.8 inches. These larger screens provide more space for content, making them ideal for productivity and entertainment. Additionally, the new displays boast improved brightness and color accuracy, making images and videos appear more vivid and lifelike. This enhancement ensures a more immersive visual experience for all your viewing needs. Improved battery life. Battery life improvements are another key feature of the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 Pro enjoys a 9.28% increase in battery capacity, which translates to longer usage between charges. Users can expect extended screen-on time and less frequent recharging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, while receiving a smaller 5.7% increase in battery size, still benefits from longer battery life. This makes it more reliable for multimedia, gaming, and productivity, offering greater convenience throughout the day. Upgraded camera features. The iPhone 16 Pro also brings significant enhancements to its camera system. It now includes an advanced ultra-wide camera that captures broader shots, allowing you to take in more of your surroundings. Additionally, a new dedicated capture button simplifies photo taking, making it quicker and easier to snap those spontaneous moments. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are packed with impressive upgrades, from advanced cooling and faster charging to larger displays and enhanced battery life. These features make them strong contenders for your next smartphone upgrade. Stay tuned for more updates and be sure to like and subscribe for the latest in tech news and reviews.